welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be unboxing and demoing for you this Multitool by Pohaku. You can see some of the things it has there on the box: saw, pliers, screwdriver, knife. That's just a few of the things that are built into this. So let's open up this box and take it out so we can take a look at it firsthand. And you can see it does come in a nice case with a belt loop strap on the back, so you can put it on your belt. And here we go. This is the Multitool itself. Really nice looking, nice solid black color. So it looks really great. So let's take a look at it in action. So first I'm going to pull this part out, and you can see you've got your pliers there. Now this is a more than just pliers. This is needle nose pliers. You can see at the top you've got the needle nose. Then you've got standard pliers. You can see in the center you've got your standard plier grooves there. And then at the bottom, if you see at the bottom there, that's a wire cutter down at the bottom. Little blade, so that's a wire cutter. So you've got 3 in 1. You've got your needle nose, you've got your regular pliers, and you've got your wire cutter all right there. And it is, there's a spring mechanism, so works really great. Let's put this back and then pull this out. You can see you've got your Phillips head screwdriver right there. So that's nice. Then on the other side here, you've got all your other tools. You've got, let's take them out one by one. You've got your, this is a flathead screwdriver, a larger flathead screwdriver there. And then you've got a file, 2 different types of files. There's one file on this side and then a different pattern on this side. So 2 different types of files there. Here on the bottom, you've got your can opener or bottle opener. I guess that would be more for bottles there. So you've got that. Then the next one in line, you've got your smaller flathead. So you can see that's a smaller flathead. And with that design, that'll work in smaller flathead screws, as well as also, because it's got an angle, it'll also a lot of times work for some of the Phillips head screwdrivers. And then this is your can opener here, I believe. So you've got that tool. Next in line, you've got your rope cutter. This is specific, it's got that blade on it, that hook blade, and so that's for cutting rope. So really excellent tool there. Then on the next one we're going to pull out, okay, this is going to be your saw. So you can see those blades there. That is a saw. Really nice. You would definitely be able to use that to cut through some stuff. And then the final thing, I'm going to push these all back down, and then we're going to pull out the final one. This is your big blade, and you can see you've got your nice sharp blade on the end there. And then here you've got a serrated blade. So you've got both on there. You've got a standard knife, and it's a pretty large blade, and then you've got your serrated here for serrated cutting. So you really have all your bases are covered in this multi-tool. And this blade is locked in place. To put it back down, you have to push on the little saw there, and then you can, so it does lock open, which is great because when you're using it, especially to saw or something, you want it to lock in place. But really excellent little multi-tool. A lot of different tools that you can use, and you can see that black, it just looks great. It's got nice sort of rubbery surface here for gripping. So really excellent product by Pohaku. Great for a gift, or great for yourself. Really good for anyone, but especially good for someone who is always out and working and needs lots of different tools easily on hand, or someone who's an outdoorsman or outdoors woman, great for them as well. But really excellent product, really useful for, I think, just about anyone. Anyway, that's going to be it for this demo and unboxing. If you like this video, please click that like button. If you know anyone who would be interested in this product, share this video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel or favorite this playlist to keep up with future product reviews. That's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.